Welcome to Crafty Kids TV. Today we're making a no glue, no activator, buttery soft slime. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of corn flour and 2 cups of shaving foam. Full recipe will be posted in the description below. I tried 3 recipes before this and all of them failed, so this one actually works. A few squirts of body lotion, a pop of food colouring. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any slime recipes with no glue and no activator that actually work. The mixture was still a bit clumpy, so I added more shaving foam and more lotion. Plus, I will add more corn flour at the end. So once your mixture looks like this, then add some more corn flour. And mix again. It might be easier to start mixing with your hands instead of the mixing tool. I went ahead and mixed the remaining mixture off camera. It only took about 5 minutes to mix them in really well. I think the mixture is pretty good, but if it's still a bit sticky, add a little bit more corn flour. If it's too clumpy, add some more shaving foam. The next day when I checked it, it was just breaking apart. So if that happens, all you need to do is add some more ingredients together into the bowl and mix it up again. To avoid this happening, store it in an airtight container, and there you have your butter slime. Thanks for watching.